Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will show you how to install Windows Server 2019 using the VMware Workstation 16 Pro. So first thing to do, we're going to create a virtual machine. So create new virtual machine. Then next lang. And then I will install the operating system later. And then Microsoft Windows and Windows Server 2019. And dito, papalitan po natin ng ating surname. So, Viniegas. Kasi yun po yung aking surname. Next. And 60 gig lang din and split virtual this into multiple files. Yan lang din. Next. And before we click the finish, we're going to customize first the hardware. So, here, ang papalitan lang po natin ay yung processor. Gawin lang po natin 1. And yung memory po dyan, depende po yun sa specs ng computer nyo. Pero dito, nilagay ko is 2 gig. Kasi mataas naman po yung specs ng computer ko. Then, close lang and finish. And after that, we're going to power on this virtual machine. Yeah. Then, Control-Alt-Enter para po sa ating full screen. And Control-Alt-Insert to restart and then press F2. Okay. And then, okay guys, dito, piliin lang po natin yung Enter Setup. And then Enter. And then, Configure Boot Option. And then Enter. And then, Change Boot Order. And then Enter. Here, click the Enter. And kailangan po yung SATA CD-ROM drive, siya po yung magiging top priority, siya yung nasa taas. So, ibababa ko lang po yung VMware virtual namespace. So, nakita po natin na number 1 na po yung SATA CD-ROM. And then, enter lang po siya. So, check nyo po muna kung nasa number 1 po siya. Siya yung nasa top. So, nakita po natin nasa top siya. Okay na yan. And then, click commit and exit. And exit the boot maintenance manager. So here, kailangan po natin siyang ibalik sa i-exit sa full screen. To exit the full screen, Control Alt Enter. Yan. After that class, click po natin yung CD na nandito sa gilid. Ito yon, nasa gilid. Click lang po natin yan. Ayan, CD, DVD. Click lang. And then settings. Sorry, na-disconnect ko. Settings. And connected po. And then uncheck po natin yung connect at power on. And then use ISO image file. And then browse. So nasa desktop lang po yung Windows Server. So hanapin natin doon. And then open. And then okay. So balik po tayo dito. Double click on the desktop screen. And Control Alt Enter. And then Control Alt Insert. And press any key. Ayan. Nakita po natin, Windows Setup. Enter lang po natin yan. And naglo-loading na po siya. Yun. Ayan, wait lang po natin siya mag-load. Okay. I-zoom natin para makita nyo. Okay. Zoom ko lang. And then, next lang. And then, install now. Wait lang po natin. And then, piliin po natin yung pangalawa. Here class, piliin po natin yung pangalawa. And then, next lang. And then, I accept. And then, next. And then, custom install Windows only advanced. And then, here, new. Click new. Apply. Okay. And then, next. So, we will wait na maging 1% siya. And then, bago po tayo mag-Shift F10. Yan, 1% na. Shift S10. Okay. Okay, type po natin task NGR and then enter. O, baba ko lang to para makita nyo. Okay. Dito, click po natin yung process and then set up.exe. Set priority and high. And then click change priority. Yung isa naman, set priority, high, and change priority. So, close lang po natin to and also the command prompt. And then, click po natin yung X. Okay. Yan. Hintayin po natin siya mag 100%. Okay, 95% na, 96. Malapit na. Bilis, di ba? Oh, 97. Tayo natin mag 100. Okay, 100 na. And restart now. Antayin lang po natin. Nag-load na po siya. Yan. Starting Windows na. Waiting device ready. Wait lang po natin. And dito, itatype lang po natin yung ating default password at DMI123. So, isusum ko lang ha, para makita niyo po. Ayan, at DMI123. So, ganun lang din po dito, re-enter lang natin yung password at DMIN123. Yun, and click lang po natin yung finish. O, finalizing na po siya. Ayan, and then, to enter, click po natin yung, nakalagay po dyan ay Control-Alt-Delete. Control-Alt-Delete to unlock. And then, cancel lang po yan. And then, enter po natin yung ating password. Enter po natin yung ating password at DMIN123. And then, enter. Wait lang po natin. Mag-show yung ating. Yan po. So, ano ko lang. Yan. Okay. Ayan na po yung ating Windows Server 2019. So, pag nakita po natin yan, ibig sabihin, successfully installed. So, pag may nakita po tayo dito sa right side, no lang po natin yan. So, ayan po yung dashboard ng ating Windows Server 2019. Okay. That's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.